Ibrahim ibn Adham was a zahid. He's an aesthetic man, rahimahullah ta'ala. And by the way, many people don't know, like Ibrahim ibn Adham, he was a son of a ruler. And he left leadership, walked away from his father's leadership. Said, I don't want anything to do with this. وَتَخَلَّى, and he said, look, Dad, please don't bring me into this. And he went away. Actually, he left the land that his father was governing and controlling. He left it. And he went to a land that he was a stranger. And he chose to live that life. He one day went to Nahru Dijla. He went to the Sea of Dijla and he dipped. I told you guys the story of him dipping his bread inside the side of the ocean. He started to dip into it. And with him was his friend Abu Yusuf al-Ghassuli was with him. And he said his famous statement, وَاللَّهِ لَوْ عَلِمَ الْمُلُوكُ وَأَبْنَاءُ الْمُلُوكِ مَا نَحْنُ فِيهِ مِنَ النَّعِيمِ وَالسُّرُورِ لَجَالَدُونَا عَلَيْهِ بِالسُّيُوفِ. Wallahi, if the kings and the children of the kings were to know the blessings that you and I both have right now, they would try to come down and take this blessing away from us. The happiness that he's talking about here is imanu billahi, believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's a king. His father is a ruler. You see? And he had that chance of going down that road. But what did he choose? Simplicity and ease. He found another happiness. And that happiness that he found was what? Al-imanu billahi, believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Shaykh, he says something powerful here. He said, إِذَا حَدَّثَتْ أَسْبَابُ الْخَوْفِ, if fear hits you, وَأَلَمَّتْ بِالْإِنسَانِ الْمُزْعِجَاتِ, or bad news, something that causes you distress comes around, تَجِدُ صَحِيحَ الْإِيمَانِ, the person who has real iman of Allah, تَجِدُهُ, you find that person who has صحيح الإيمان ثابت القلب, his heart is very firm. مطمئن النفس, he's got tranquility. Weakness and iman, weakness of the iman is what causes the person to be shaken. You see? مطمئن النفس متمكنا من تدبيره. The Shaykh is mentioning here, you find that person who has صحيح الإيمان, whose iman is good, ثابت القلب, his heart is firm. مطمئن النفس, tranquility. It's like nothing's happening around him. متمكنا من تدبيره. And he's also in control of his affairs. Then he says, as for the one who's فاقد الإيمان, as for the one whose iman is gone, بعكس هذه الحال, he's opposite to the situation. إذا وقعت المخاوف انزعج لها ضميره. What happens to him? He starts to shake. وتوترت أعصابه وتشتتت أفكاره. His thinking process all over the place. وداخله الخوف والرعب, fear and shock enters him. So the Shaykh rahimahullah mentions, how do you deal with this? You run to your iman and trying to fix that. This used to happen to also the students of Ibn Taymiyyah, Ibn al-Qayyim. That sometimes they will feel this feeling of shock. This feeling of sadness and depression, they will feel it. Ibn al-Qayyim mentions in his kitab Al-Madarij al-Salikin, he mentions if you go to the Manzilatul Sakina, the station of Sakina, Ibn al-Qayyim mentions that sometimes, Ibn al-Qayyim has mentioned this, sometimes he said, we the students of Ibn Taymiyyah, we would go through times of sadness. Bad news would come our way, we get scared, and so this would affect us. And so all we need at that moment is for the great Imam Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah to come and to do what? To read Ayatul Sakina, the ayat of tranquility. For him to read that for us, rahimahullah ta'ala. فَيَقْرَأُ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُ السَّكِينَةِ, Shaykh al-Islam would read those verses on them. حَتَّى يَجِدُوا بَرْدَ الْيَقِينِ وَثَلْجَ الْطُمَأْنِينَةِ فِي نُفُوسِهِمْ. And you know what happens? That's it. He says our heart is like water was poured over it. It's hot. But the minute he reads those verses, it's like it cools down. Do you understand? And he finds tranquility. So this shows that this can happen to giants. And it can happen to Ibn al-Qayyim. We all know Ibn al-Qayyim to be what? A man who knows about the heart and the way that it works. وَمَعَ ذَلِكَ, he mentions that even then, it happens to you. And so what is beneficial is to look at those verses that help your iman become strong. Now,